Hello. Welcome to Everything Fact. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification button.
The flu is a contagious respiratory illness caused by influenza viruses that infect the nose, throat, and sometimes the lungs. It can cause mild to severe illness, and at times can lead to death. The best way to prevent flu is by getting a flu vaccine each year. But before we get to all of that, click subscribe and hit the notification bell. Now you won't miss a thing. Influenza can cause mild to severe illness, and at times can lead to death. Flu is different from a cold. Flu usually comes on suddenly. People who have flu often feel some or all of these symptoms: fever or feeling chills, cough, sore throat, runny or stuffy nose, muscle or body aches, headaches, fatigue. Some people may have vomiting and diarrhea, though this is more common in children than adults. Asterisk: it's important to note that not everyone with flu will have a fever. Flu viruses spread mainly by tiny droplets made when people with flu cough, sneeze, or talk. These droplets can land in the mouths or noses of people who are nearby. Less often, a person might get flu by touching a surface that has flu virus on it and then touching their own mouth, nose, or eyes. On average, about 8% of the U.S. population gets sick from flu each season, with a range of between 3% and 11%, depending on the season. A study published in Clinical Infectious Diseases External Icon looked at the percentage of people who were sickened by flu using two different methods and compared the findings. Children younger than 18 are more than twice as likely to develop asymptomatic flu infection than adults 65 and older, according to the latest Canadian Institute for Occupational and Environmental Medicine (CID) study. The median incidence values, or attack rate, by age group were 9.3% for children 0 to 17 years, 8.8% for adults 18 to 64 years, and 3.9% for those 65 and over. CDC recommends everyday preventive actions, like staying away from people who are sick, covering coughs and sneezes, and frequent hand washing, to help slow the spread of germs that cause respiratory, nose, throat, and lungs illnesses, like flu. The first and most important step in preventing flu is to get a flu vaccine each year. The flu vaccine has been shown to reduce flu-related illnesses and the risk of serious complications that can result in hospitalization or even death.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button.